Good morning. I'm starting the vlog outside, which I feel like is kind of not normal for me. But it's a beautiful day. I'm walking to Aloe. I leave for Paris in 2 days, so I thought it would be fun to do like a kind of like how I prep for my trip. I'm going to Paris and then Saint-Tropez with Michael Kors. And in Paris, I'm bringing my sister and my brother, which is so fun. I just thought I would show you like how I prep for a trip. So we can pack together and I'll show you like my tan. I got my nails done yesterday. We can roll the clips. So I'm filming this vlog and we're doing all the things I kind of do before a trip to prep. I'm going to the nail salon and I just did a big donation. That stuff I'm packing. First thing is manicure. I always do the same thing, but they're just grown out, so. Muscle up.
Okay, you know what I need help with?
Tell me.
How do we turn down? Is it open full?
Oh, Piccola.
Oh, Piccola. Okay, I've been needing help with that. Yeah. Be tired. What just stanky like real quick?
I lost balance. So I leave for Paris tomorrow. I'm about to self-tan, and I kind of wanted this whole video to just be like, pack with me, travel prep, all that type of stuff. What I do before a big trip, how I get ready. I literally just woke up and I look crazy and I have a meeting in like 45 minutes. So I kind of feel like this is my best time to tan, especially because I don't want to sleep in my tan and it's a 6 to 8 hour tan. So I just want to like leave it on all day. But yeah, I thought I'd kick off the morning with that. Then we can make a matcha, probably do my little walking pad. I have a meeting, all that jazz. I'm really white. I have not been sitting in the sun, which is good, but I need color and I really want to have some color in Paris. So I've been loving Bondi Sands coconut scent. And I'm going to do a few layers of this because I do feel like it's relatively natural. And then I also like to apply moisturizer to like my elbows, knees, back of the knees, like ankles, maybe a little around the wrist. So I'm just going to take, I don't know, like that much. I guess I'll show you on like my arm here. I just like to apply it kind of to like the bigger surface when you have more of the product. And then as you kind of blend it out and get closer to the wrist and hand, I guess what I'm trying to say is like once you kind of disperse it like on the bigger parts of your body with the leftover, that's kind of when I go closer to the wrist, and then I flip it on the other side that has no tan and I kind of smooth it over the wrist. And then with the leftovers, I just kind of bring it everywhere. Yay. And then as you can see, I just like go in circular motions. I'm gonna go do my tan and then we'll do my face. Carry on the day, pack for Paris. As you can see, we have a big color difference in the face, but I really don't like putting self-tan like mousse on my face, and Bondi Sands makes these self-tan drops that you mix in with the moisturizer. So 4 or 5 drops. 1, 2, 3. Mix it in my hands. Apply it all over my face. I did like an extra layer of self-tan on my body than I normally do. I don't really know why. I think I was just like, I'm going to Paris, I want to be dark. So I think it looks a little intense right now, but it will wash off. It's about 9:40 now. I haven't had any caffeine, so let's make a matcha. Then I have a meeting at 10. Here we have it. Hole in this cup? What the fuck is happening? Guys, I think there's a hole in the cup. Did I just pour it incorrectly? I am so confused. What is going on? Oh my god, there's no bottom. If you could see what I see. The bottom of the cup broke off. What? So, I fear I need to make a new matcha. Well, that was fun. Good morning.
Later.
Okay.
And then later.
I was making a matcha this morning and I literally got it on video. I showered. I washed my tan off. It looks so natural. My face and my body match perfectly. It's perfect. I don't look orange at all either, as you can see. And also, in case you question my methods, my wrists look perfect. I don't know how to really pronounce this brand. I think it's Meow. Meow? Little capris. And I think this would look so cute in Paris. It's like really short capris. They also let me pick some stuff and I chose these little low-rise jeans and I kind of want to see what these look like on. I feel like with jeans, because I'm small, I normally have to hem the bottoms, but we'll see. It fits well. Sorry, I had to put a little ring light on because I had to close my blinds. So the lighting might be harsh. This is perfect for like a hot day where you don't want to think. I love polka dots. My main walking shoes are like Repettos. It's also gonna be really hot at night. The back's open. I think these shoes, I feel like it kind of brings it together. And I'm not one to typically mix patterns and like colors. I'm literally in like the most neutral outfit ever. Actually, maybe these shoes are ugly. Wait, I take it back. I don't like it. Guys, I got rid of so many clothes and it's actually making me wear stuff I never wear. Like I've never worn these shorts, but I hung on to them. I don't know why. I think these shorts are lioness. Running around, it's a million degrees outside and I want to be comfy. I'm kind of wearing it as like a dress, but it's short, so I'll just like throw little shorts under. Same shoe. I know Michael Kors wanted me to wear this skirt for like our little beach day, I'm pretty sure. Maybe I want to do a triangle top. That might be cuter. So I don't feel so exposed. If I can get it on. Maybe something like that. I don't even know what this day is. I'm having an early dinner. I'm having some goop, salad. I love their sweet potatoes, so I got that too. And I'm just loving packing. You know when packing is easy and then it's like just fun? That's what's happening, which is awesome. I'm taking a break. I had dinner. I'm still packing. I'm literally the worst. And also my room has just gotten progressively messier. So please forgive me for Michael Kors. They want me to wear this bag and these shoes. I can wear my own clothing. Kept it simple with my like go-to just denim skirt with a wedge. Guys, I just got these shoes from Gap on Postmates for $70. And they're so cute and comfy. I'm like stoked by this. Why is my mirror so dirty? This dress is perfect. Peach. I think this is the best peach I've ever had. No, is this a nectarine? What am I eating? All I want is a ham and cheese sandwich from Paul's, if you know, you know. And I'm so excited to show my siblings Paris through my eyes because I've spent so much time here in the last like 2 years. I really feel familiar with the city, so. Look who I'm with! My sissy!
Elevators are so small.
I know, Gianni almost had a panic attack.
Yeah, he took the stairs on his way down.
Okay, we're going to lunch. You guys will recognize my outfit from my packing portion of the video. We got a Madeline that I want to try. And we're going to a silk store and then home and then we have dinner. I need to shower again. that's that. Whoa.
10 out of 10, Matt.
Is it like a little lemon? Mm-hmm. Really like it.
Very fluffy.
We just got home from shopping. Bella and I walked so much and it's perfect. It was so hot. We're gonna do dinner, drinks with my brother. He did jet lag so wrong. I told him, I'm like, you gotta sleep on the flight. You land in the morning and then you just have to power through. Like, my trick with traveling so much, especially to places with such drastic time changes, you have to get on the schedule right away or you're screwed. Especially with Europe for me. Like, if I try and nap, it's done. I kind of bought some pieces that I felt like were more staples in my closet, basic, simple things I'd wear. I got these. These are little rose shoes and they are so soft. We went to this store called Sabia Rosa. Sabia, who owns it, was the cutest lady ever. And she has the most beautiful, high quality, like silk pieces. I had to support Sabia. And her stuff was to die for. High quality silk is so flattering. I got this gorgeous maxi dress. I have a few weddings this summer and I just thought this could be a really nice dress for one of the weddings. The color was amazing. And when I tried it on, Sabia went like this. So I had to buy. That is gorgeous. I got two other pieces. I got this beautiful silk dress. I'll show you. It just looks like that. Brown. When I did my color analysis in Korea, they said that this color brown was my color. Me justifying two of the same dresses. That's all I have for you. So I'll get ready for dinner. Show you my outfit. I'm normally so bad at vlogging my trip, so hopefully I'm doing a good job remembering. Okay guys, it's the next day.
Wait, can I show you something?
Yeah. We did sleep till 3:30 because we stayed out till 6 a.m.
True.
It was probably the best night of my life. But now we're on a mission.
We're going shopping right now because my brother forgot. He thought he was gonna buy jeans, but he doesn't really have like appropriate.
He doesn't have like a
night
good
pants.
like
He keeps wearing
night pants.
He's wearing white pants, and
Bella's like not having the white pants. And it's fine, but we're going to Zara.
where is
Because
that?
I want to buy him multiple options as well. First I suggested Acne.
Actually, no, we're not doing Acne because he doesn't
appreciate
quality clothing. But he just tried to tell me what kind of pant he wanted, and he described to me a skinny jean.
No, he said he doesn't want a skinny jean.
No, he said he doesn't want a boot cut jean. He doesn't want anything too wide or baggy, which is quite literally what we're gonna go buy him.
Honestly, I wasn't even gonna vlog today because I vlogged a lot of yesterday. But then I thought this would actually be a really fun vlog. You know, when I was a kid, my favorite shows in the whole entire world to watch were makeover shows.
Yeah,
Like What Not to Wear, all those. I love Queer Eye. Like I just love shows like that.
So we're making Gianni
this is
over.
like our version of it. I'm wearing this really cute dress from Gucci. That's not him.
I know, but it's really cool.
This is really cute. Ooh, I like this.
That's good. That with the pants you're holding. is
Right?
perfect.
That's a good fit. Success. My bag's heavy. We got him shoes, pants, shirts.
Little
I think
sweater.
we got him like
shirt.
literally 6 pairs of pants.
It's a perfect croissant.
This pastry basket's
wanna
electric.
touch
I'm
it, it
so
looks so-
puffy. Anyway, good morning. What is it, like musical chairs for dancing?
Look at how fat your ass is.
You know anything about sometimes stuff?
We are going to our last breakfast in Paris, and then we go to Saint Tropez today with Michael Kors. Oh wait, I wonder if this will be the start of my new vlog. Actually, you know what? This can be the end. I don't think I did that great of a job of filming multiple days in Paris, but I think I at least brought you through like one full day. I don't really know yet, but just know this video is ending soon. I can't show you my haul now because I packed. But final breakfast, I'll bring you to that.